Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you what does stitch incoming means on TikTok. So stitch incoming means that someone is about to create a stitch video on TikTok. So a stitch is a feature that allows users to clip and add part of another creator's video to their own before continuing with their response, reaction, or the commentary. So if someone comments stitch incoming, they're likely saying they plan to stitch the video soon, or the video is about to go viral with many stitches, or they think the content is worthy of a reaction or a discussion. So it's often used when people see a video that's controversial, funny, or they need a reaction or a discussion on it. So there you go, guys. That is what stitch incoming means on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.